Hello viewers, this is a rough and ready guide to installing .NET Nano Firmware Flasher. The best place to start is always with docs.nanoframework.net, and in there, as always, the Getting Started guide is the best place to start. In this case, we want to see this link, and here it says that to do that, you need to install the .NET 6 runtime. So, within PowerShell, we can check whether it is already installed. Just waiting for the prompt. And given it is a new installation, it won't be. So in that case, we do need to install it. This will take a little while to download. And once it's downloaded, we can open the file and install it. Again, this will take a little while. We can now close the window, and you'll notice that if we run the same command, it will still fail, simply for the fact that the window needs to be reloaded. So we can, again, do PowerShell. And if we run the same command, it completes and shows that we have .NET 6. We can then install the tool. It will again take a little while. And it has been run successfully, so now we can test that it works. And there you go. All is working as expected.